In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a Teams meeting in Outlook. By the end, you'll be able to schedule a meeting that automatically includes a Microsoft Teams join link, so your invitees can connect with a single click. Start by opening the Outlook desktop app. Give it a moment to load your mail and calendar. If you're prompted to sign in, use your work or school account associated with Microsoft 365. Make sure you're in the correct profile if you manage more than one account, since the meeting will be created in the calendar that's currently active. Next, switch to your calendar. Look for the calendar icon along the left-hand navigation pane and select it. This view is where all your scheduling happens. You can use day, work week, or month view. Any of those will work for creating a new meeting. Now, create a new event. In the top left corner of the Outlook window, click New Event. A meeting window will open. Here, fill in the important details. Add a clear title so attendees know the purpose of the meeting. Enter the required and optional attendees by typing their names or email addresses. Outlook will suggest contacts as you type. Set the date and start and end times, and double-check the time zone if you're coordinating across regions. If this meeting takes place in a physical room as well, you can also add a location. Otherwise, leaving the location blank is fine because the Teams link will serve as the virtual meeting place. Use the description area to include an agenda, files, or key talking points. This helps everyone arrive prepared. Once your details are in place, turn it into a Teams meeting. Look for the Teams meeting toggle switch in the event window and slide it to on. Outlook will automatically generate a Microsoft Teams join link and insert it into the body of the invitation. You'll see the link appear right away, confirming that the online meeting has been added. If you don't immediately see the toggle, expand the event window or make sure you're in the standard meeting form. When everything looks good, choose whether to save or send. Click Send to deliver the invitation to your attendees. The email they receive will include the Teams join information, and depending on your organization's settings, it may also include dial-in details. If you're just reserving time for yourself, you can click Save to add it to your calendar without sending invitations. That's all there is to it. Open Outlook, switch to Calendar, create a new event with your details, toggle on Teams, and send. You now have a reliable, one-click online meeting set up directly from Outlook.